Are you tired of the daily grind? Dreaming of retiring early and enjoying financial freedom? Look no further. In this video, we'll unveil the ultimate guide to early retirement so you can say goodbye to the 9 to 5 and hello to a life of leisure. Tip 1. Start saving early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can make a big difference in the long run. So don't delay, start saving today. Tip 2. Maximize your retirement accounts. Take full advantage of employer-sponsored plans like 401s and IRAs. Not only will you benefit from tax advantages, but you'll also be taking a significant step towards achieving your early retirement goals. Tip 3. Cut unnecessary expenses. Evaluate your spending habits and identify areas where you can make adjustments. Do you really need that daily latte? By cutting back on small indulgences, you can save more money for your future. Tip 4. Invest wisely. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to balance risk and reward. Seek professional advice to explore options like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Remember, smart investing can help grow your wealth faster. Tip 5. Plan for contingencies. Life is full of surprises, so be prepared for unexpected events. Build an emergency fund to cover unforeseen expenses, and don't forget to have adequate insurance coverage for peace of mind. Tip 6. Calculate your retirement needs. Determine how much money you'll need to sustain your desired lifestyle during retirement. This will help you set realistic savings goals and keep you on track towards your early retirement dreams. Tip 7. Stay disciplined. Consistency is key. Stick to your savings and investment plans and regularly evaluate your progress. It may require sacrifices along the way, but remember, the end goal of financial freedom is well worth it.